We're going to go about the business of renaming decimals as percents, and we're going to do it by a method where we just simply multiply by 100. So let's take this particular one, 8.1, and we're going to multiply that by 100 because percent is out of 100, right? Percent is per 100 or out of 100. So 8.1 times 100. And what we're doing there is we multiply 8.1 times 100, and what happens is the decimal point moves, and it moves like this, 8.1. I always, whenever I'm doing this kind of thing, I might put in a couple of extra zeros just to hold places when I move the decimal point. When I multiply by 100 or by multiples of 10, the decimal point goes towards the right. So remember that. So by 100, however many zeros there are, that's how many places the decimal point is going to move. So there's 1, 2 zeros. So this is going to move one place, two places, and end up here. So it'll end up being 810. The answer is 810%. I can show that using a calculator, 8.1 multiplied by 100, and I should have an answer of 810. And I do have an answer of 810. So the answer of 8.1 as a percent is 810%. Okay, let's try a second example. In this example, we have 1.765, and we're going to multiply. We're going to use our method of multiplying by 100 multiplied by 100. So what we're doing there is, here's the decimal point right here, and we're going to move it however many zeros there are. Well, there's 100, so there's 1, 2 zeros. So we move it one space, two spaces, so the decimal point now is moved there. Let's make that a bit tidier so we can read it clearly. 176.5, and that is out of 100, so that's the final answer. Okay, and to have one final example, we have 32.7 multiplied by 100. I can see already that I'm going to need some extra zeros there just to hold the place. So 32.700, just put a couple in. There are two spaces, two zeros I should say, so I'm going to move the decimal point two places. So it'll go 1, 2, it'll end up here. Not there anymore. And so the answer here, if I write that out a bit more neatly, is going to be 3270.0. So I don't need to write that, percent. And that's the final one. So working by multiplying a decimal by 100 is just a simple case of moving the decimal place twice, two places to the right for any particular decimal number.